Hi guys, it's Turbo Tim here, down in sunny Devon. You know what it is? It's only FPV Friday.
So first of all, I just want to thank Tim for the intro of FPV Friday. Top man Tim, thank you much for that. And don't forget, check out his channel. Cheers Tim, that's very nice of you. Right, so in this week's video, I'll be back out again using the Avata 360. We'll be putting it into active track because last week's test was pants. I think that probably was down to me. Also, obviously I've done this after the latest update. I think you'd be amazed. I'll be using my RC2 controller. Now, I went out really early that morning, expecting not to see anybody. But who did I bump into? The local police. Anyway, what I will say, guys, for those holiday makers, make sure you got all the proper paperwork. That's all I can say. Anyway, enjoy the video. I just want to thank everybody that commented on my last two videos, and that's to do with the update, guys. God, what a faff that was, eh? But anyway, it's all been sorted, and I'm really appreciated all the help that I had. Obviously, with the RC2, I had a major problem, but it was sorted because you lot out there told me, format your SD card, your external card, yep, and it's all working fine. So I've got to thank you for that. What I'm going to explain now is I've got two. I've got two RC2 controllers now. You're going to say, why have you done that for? And what I want to do is compare the controllers together, because I've had this one for 3 years, and ever since I've had this controller, there's been niggly things with it. Nothing major, and you're going to see in a moment that using this one, there might be a difference. I don't know. Anyway, let you watch that in the mo. But I just want to say a big thank you, even for the lovely people that made some comments about my channel. So anyway, enjoy today's video, because it is, don't forget, FPV Friday. So hopefully you can see the sun just coming up there, because it's really early morning. Now, I've already done the test, but in today's test, we'll be doing the Avata 360, and I'll be using my new RC2 controller, which, I'll be honest, I'm glad I bought. Anyway, and what I'm going to explain to you now is, so my other RC2 controller, which still works, matter of fact, I've kept that in metric, but the new one, I'm going to keep it in feet and inches and miles per hour, because I don't understand all that metric stuff. I'm an old git. So in this video, you're going to see it in feet and inches, well, feet anyway, and also you're going to see it in miles per hour, but my car does it in kilometres. How confusing is all this, eh, for an old bloke? But anyway, you're going to see how well this drone done. I'll get back to you in a moment, but enjoy the vid. I was pretty impressed today, I must say, and enjoy the morning sunrise. Is it moving? It is. That's the main thing. Right, we'll just raise up the past pylons, because that was a little bit dodgy. Okay, so that's 50. Okay, I'm just going up to I'm doing 22 miles, 20 kilometers, I should say 24. Okay, I'm going up. Okay, that's good. That's looking good. We're still on board. We are now doing 30 kilometers. So I've reached my, I think I've also lost it. Right, so I'm doing the speed now, guys, because so I'm doing, I think 40 kilometers seems to be the speed. Right, I'm just going to bring up the drone a little bit. That's it. I'm doing 52, which is good. 52, 53, I'm sorry, 53, which I think is plenty fast enough. So, a good test, I must say, much better than last week. Anyway, just give you the gumph on it. So, RC2 controller, the Avata 360, and we got to a height of 237 feet, and I worked that out as, for you metric people, 72 meters, which I thought was pretty good, you know, for this type of drone. And the speed, I got up to 53 kilometers. Now, I didn't work that out in miles per hour, but what I did notice on the screen, and for you guys that's got the Avata 360, have you noticed this? Because when it was following the car, the speed wasn't really showing. I think it was showing like 2 or 3 miles per hour. I don't know if that's to do with the height. Shouldn't do. But anyway, it wasn't reading the speed correctly on the screen, but obviously in my car I had no problem. But yeah, I was pretty impressed with that, I must say. I don't know what happened the previous week. I don't know. Maybe it's the heat. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. I've got a load more tests coming as well, guys, but hope you enjoy it. If you got any, I don't know, anything you want me to test out, add it below as well. But anyway, I'm not going to say what I usually say because it's FPV Friday. I'm going to leave it to this guy. See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone. See you sooner.
Sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner. Just like till life ended. See you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts. See you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Pictures of Suffolk. See you soon.
Sooner.
Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner.
See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. We'll see you sooner. Sooner.